Scared to buy Nvidia at all-time highs? Don't worry, there's a whole Nasdaq-30 you should be watching. Let's talk QTOP. Let's get right into it. So the iShares Nasdaq Top 30 Stocks ETF, ticker symbol QTOP, is something that you should think about holding in your portfolio. Let's go through the overview first, and then we'll go through each tab. The top 10 holdings, most importantly, make up 65% of the overall ETF, totaling 37 stocks. Let's get into it. Nvidia, 13%, Apple, 10%, Microsoft, 10%, Amazon, Tesla, Broadcom, Netflix, Meta, and let's just show the rest of the 37 holdings right now. Here are the remaining 27 stocks included in QTOP, starting with PLTR, AMD, Costco, Google, Cisco, Micron, and the list goes on and on. I'm going to leave this on for 2 seconds for you to take a screenshot. On this ETF, it is US equity only, passively managed, and large growth. You're taking the top 30 out of the Nasdaq 100. Here is a more detailed look. Equity exposure, North America 100%, giant and large at 62 and 37%. And then Nvidia leading the pack here, along with Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, etc. If you look here on the style map, we are in a large growth. Now remember, you are very heavy on the information technology, so compare it to your other ETFs and index funds. Looking at the distribution expenses, you are paying a 0.2% expense ratio for holding this ETF. Your dividends are only at 0.38%. Remember, you are not going for dividends for this, you are going for long-term growth. Looking at the ratings and analysis, currently at this time of recording, you have a weak short-term, a weak midterm, and a neutral long-term sentiment, which is 9 months to 2 years. Looking at the performance and the risk of this, if you were to invest $10,000, keep in mind that this fund was created in October of 2024. So your hypothetical growth right now from last year up until now would be about $10,000 to $14,000. Breaking down QTOP from a chart perspective, this is when the inception date is, from October 25th, 2024. Basically around $25 it opened at, went as low as $20, and now has went up to $31 at the time of this recording, November 17th, 2025, trading at $31 per share. If you like videos like this, go to my playlist tab under Trading Simplified, my YouTube channel, and check out the Fidelity Index Funds, ETFs, and Managements, and click on this to view the full playlist. Under this full playlist, you will gain access to videos just like this, other growth funds such as FSPGX,